Welcome to this exquisite French country home nestled on a private gated lot. Custom built by renowned builder Larry Todd, it features beautiful craftsmanship in a park-like setting. It's situated in a highly sought-after Lake Oswego neighborhood, close to schools, shopping, and parks. No detail is overlooked, from the walnut hardwood floors to the custom tile and millwork. Enjoy gatherings by the gas fireplace in the generously sized living room, complete with built-in walnut cabinets and a beautiful tile floor. The Gourmet Kitchen will inspire your inner chef with its warm and inviting ambiance. It's thoughtfully designed with gorgeous slab granite countertops, a tile backsplash, soft-touch cabinets, a 6-burner gas cooktop, double convection ovens, a built-in refrigerator, and butler's pantry. Entertain in the elegant formal dining room, accented by decorative pillars and wainscoting. French doors open to the charming den with a gas fireplace and built-ins. The main-level master suite is a private retreat with vaulted ceilings, a large walk-in closet, and views to the peaceful backyard. Unwind and rejuvenate in the tranquil master bath's jacuzzi tub or the custom tile shower with dual shower heads. On the upper level, you'll find 3 additional large bedrooms with walk-in closets. A spacious bonus room with a built-in surround sound system makes the perfect media room, and you'll find an extra exercise space. The private backyard is a secluded retreat with a gazebo, greenhouse, sprinkler system, and a water feature. Other features include a built-in vacuum system, automatic outdoor landscape lighting, and a 3-car attached garage. An exceptional custom-built home in a beautiful setting. It's all here waiting for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com.